Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device so fixes stick. Update iOS now. Once done, restart the iPhone to apply system patches. Next, go to Settings, open Safari, and enable block pop-ups while clearing history and website data to remove cached redirects. Force close Safari and any other browser tabs that might be running malicious scripts. These steps remove active sessions and prevent old data from triggering pop-ups again, so take them before moving to targeted blocking and notifications adjustments. Once your browser is reset, you next restrict the sources that generate pop-ups. Open Settings right arrow notifications and turn off banners for any app that sends unsolicited alerts. Make sure to keep critical apps allowed. Then install a trusted content blocker from the App Store and enable it under Settings right arrow Safari right arrow extensions to filter scripts and ads. Finally, review per site permissions in Safari, revoke camera, microphone, location, and notification access from questionable domains to stop permission request. Finish by checking for lingering configurations and, if needed, resetting. Go to Settings right arrow General right arrow VPN and Device Management and delete any unknown profiles that can inject ads. If pop-ups continue, reset network settings to clear DNS or, as a stronger measure, reset all settings after backing up. This preserves data but restores defaults. If problems persist, boot with minimal apps active, try safe mode-like isolation, and contact Apple support for device-level inspection. They can detect profiles or malware that standard steps miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.